Hello everyone. Today a short discussion on effective English, that how to speak effectively. So for effective English, what I believe that there are many tools that we need to develop, and one of them is speech. That speeches are a kind of tool through which we can improve our speaking skills. Now the question arises, how? For that we need to listen to great speeches first, as speech is simply a kind of communication or expression of thoughts. So you will come to know the ideas, the thoughts of great people when you are going to listen to them, to their speeches. And because speech also implies one person speaking to an audience, and not only speaking to an audience, I should say that in a formal manner. Why? Because speech is not something that we can grow up, we can deliver in informal way. It is always formal. So that also helps our speaking skills. Listening to speeches also help us learn how to speak fluently. Another question arises here, how? For that, first of all, when we are going to speak, we have to make our speeches short and simple. Reason behind, because when we are going to speak, we may have a kind of audience consisting of a variety of people. So just to reach up to their understanding level, we need to be short and simple, right? And we have to include, we should include imagery and storytelling. Imagery, what is imagery? Imagery are metaphors are to be used. They are figures of speech that I will take up in some other session, the difference between parts of speech and figures of speech. So use imagery and storytelling. Why? Because storytelling also connects the audience with imaginations and thoughts and ideas, and so your audience get interested listening to you. And next point, that you have to refine your English language to improve your speaking skill. Use poetry, use repetitions, use rhymes while speaking. Why? Because these all are good ways to get your audience engaged listening to you. Then we can also add humor to our speech. This is another influential language tool, right? And how can we do all these things? For that, we should listen to all great people, their speeches. Some of them, like you can refer Martin Luther King when he talked about I have a dream. You can also refer John F. Kennedy when he talks about the decision to go to the moon. You can also refer Winston Churchill, another one of the finest orators in the world, when he talks about we shall fight them on the beaches. You can also refer Ronald Reagan, right, when he talks about tear down this wall. In these speeches, you will see that repetition of words or repetition of phrases in such a way that, for example, suppose when Winston Churchill was talking about we shall fight them on the beaches, then he used the word fight and defend many times in his speech, right? That is why audience got engaged, audience got interested, and outcome after this speech was awesome. So this is all from my side.